Today I've got something super cool for you. Ever wanted that gorgeous vintage film look for your digital photos? Well, stick around because we are diving into Dehancer Online, the ultimate tool for film emulation and color grading. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Dehancer Online? Imagine being able to transfer your modern digital shots into stunning classic film masterpieces. Dehancer Online lets you do that with a few clicks online. No need for plugin installation. It has over 50 film emulations, over 10 exotic black and white looks, free updates, and you can use it from your desktop and your mobile. It's like having a virtual darkroom at your fingertips. So, first you have to upload your image, and then you have access to the preset films. As you can see, there is Agfa Color, Kodak, Fujifilm, Fujicolor. Let's select Kodak. I think it's too dark, I'm going to select another preset. Let me see if we have another selection. Yes, I like this more. I like this orangey color that the old films had. If you want more control over your picture, you can go into the settings. You can apply different settings for light, for color, for effects, for the grain, the noise of the picture. As you can see, there is exposure settings, contrast, temperature, color boost. So you have the necessary tools for the first edit of your photo. Once you adjust the photo according to your needs, you can download it. I will try two more of my favorite photos to give them the old vintage film look. Let me know in the comments if you like them. Look at the difference. The colors are different. The mood is spot on. It's like stepping back in time. Here is a few more examples. This portrait went from clean and modern to warm and cinematic. It's like it's straight out of a 70s or 80s film. So there you have it, Dehancer Online in all its film emulating glory. Whether you are a professional photographer or you are just starting out, it's a game changer for adding the classic touch to your digital work. If you are excited to try out Dehancer and get that amazing film look for your photos, I've got a special treat for you. Use my exclusive coupon code at checkout and get 10% off on all Dehancer products. It's a great way to save some cash while enhancing your creative projects. The link and code are in the description below. If you have any questions or want to share your own Dehancer creations, drop me a comment. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe to my photo video lab, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay safe.